Hey guys, how you doing? Mowers and blowers here again. So it's another good day. I don't think we're going to get any more snow. Snow blowers sales have sucked this year. I think I maybe have sold 10. Anyway, took my kids to school today, and when I got back, this was on my porch. Cool. You know what this is? This is, I believe, a 20-inch Remington chainsaw that I got from MTD SOUTHWEST division. Anyway, so the government had a nationwide recall on these chainsaws, and basically, if you have one of their chainsaws on the list, it's basically for a leaky gas tank, and a leaky gas tank could cause a fire, and so basically they sent out that recall thing. Anyway, I had actually, had one, and gave them a call, and they sent it to me. I'm now going to unbox it for you. It's like Christmas. Of course, I told him, I said, what should I do with the one on the recall? He's like, just throw it away. I said, you don't want me to send it back to you? He's like, nah, it costs too much money to send it back to us. Just, it's more worthwhile for us to just send you one, and you can just throw yours away, so we don't have to pay for shipping for you to ship it back. And I says, but throw a perfectly good thing away? He's like, yeah, I know, but the government doesn't want us to tell you guys to use them. You can do whatever you want, but we just have to tell you to throw it away. I said, okay, I'll throw it away. Not. Anyway, so, wow. Jesus, usually under these recalls, they either give you a refurbished one that is just the chainsaw itself. This one comes with a retail box, the case. This actually this might be a new one. What do you guys think? Looks new, right? Yeah, I gotta put this down. Oh, it's Christmas. All right, the owner's manual. Screwdriver, spark plug tool. Two-cycle oil. This looks new, guys. It's where the chain bar oil lube goes in. So this is the Remington Outlaw RM4620. It's exactly the model that I had. That's where you put the gas oil mix. I don't know what that is. I've never seen that. I don't know what that is. Run and stop switch. Safety trigger. Choke lever. Primer bulb. It's a screw to loosen the air cleaner cover. Oregon bar, 20 inches. Always make sure you put your chain in the right direction. Engagement handle for safety. 2 bolts to take your bar off and the cover. Chain tightener. Alright. So I'm going to put a little bit of gas in here and start her up for you guys. So I've got their container of pre-mixed 2-cycle fuel, you know, just a teaspoon of 2-cycle oil mixed in with the gas. Usually a 40-to-1, 50-to-1 ratio, but you just eyeball it, man, you know, as long as you get that slight blue hue, you're good. There's a little bit of bar and chain oil. It's almost done, but that ought to be good enough to fill in there. Bone dry. So it looks like this is a brand new one, because even with refurbished ones you have a residue inside, an oily residue that it, you know, that was from an older used one. But this is brand new, man. No smell, brand new from the factory. So that's cool, man, that they sent me a brand new one. Very cool. So I'm gonna put this stuff in now. This bar and chain oil is very important. It you go through quite a bit of it though, at least in my experience. After a couple of runs, it goes down pretty quickly because it comes out, you know, not like regular oil that you put into your gas engines and stuff. It stays in the engine block, and hopefully you don't leak it out, you know. But bar and chain oil comes out because it lubes the chain, so you do go through quite a bit of it. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you know, that's been my experience. And I've had a couple of chainsaws where it actually leaks. That means you have a bad seal. It leaks out even when it's not on. So I just used up all this stuff, and it's about 75% full. That'll be good enough just to test. I don't really have anything to cut, you know, so I'm just doing this so I can try it with you guys and show you how it works. Make sure it's nice and tight, because oil, after it gets heated up, becomes very thin, and it could leak out of any untight seals. I got it. Watch me make a mess. I know I'm going to make a mess. Yep, there you go. I made a mess. I'm not going to put too much in there because, well, maybe a little bit more. See? Make more of a mess. Alright. Alright, so I just filled it up with chain and bar oil, lube, and also the gas. Cleaned it up a bit. So it's got to be in the run position, and we're going to prime it 10 times. And for the first start, it's going to be more, because you got to get the stuff sucked into the primer bulb. Okay, so now you can see there's fuel now in there. Pull this out for full choke for the first time. This is the first time. Alright. Let's see. Chainsaws, it always takes a while. Okay, once you hear that, you can put some trigger.
manufacturer. They have the adjustments, the mixture adjustments down to what they call low emissions. So usually it doesn't run well, you know. You always have to mess with the screws to get it to where you want it, you know. The government doesn't want you to burn up the environment so much. Even though Trump doesn't believe in environmental stuff. Whatever. Anyhow, so once it's warmed up a little bit, push this handle to engage. Actually, the other way around. There we go. Sounds good, man. Nice. Really nice. I have a pull-on Pro that takes at least 20 pulls. That's why they call it pull-on. I'm pulling on that thing like crazy. Pull on, pull on. I'm a professional pull on. Anyway, to stop it. That's it. That's all there is to it, man. This was easy, really easy. Pretty reliable start too. You guys saw it from the beginning to the end, man. I like it. I'm gonna sell my pull-on Pro now because I don't need two. You know, this is a 20. The one I have, I think, is an 18. Yeah, I'm going to sell my pull-on and keep this Remington. Remington Outlaw RM4620. Brand new. Acquired through recall. So if you guys have a 16, 18, or 20-inch Remington chainsaw, that was, I believe it was, that was made by after November something, 2015, you should call MTD Southwest right now and get your free replacement chainsaw. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of my Remington 20-inch Outlaw RM4620 chainsaw, acquired through recall. It's very cool, man. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.